calves 4-3-1-2 with cuts of 2, 4, and 1. In analyzing this class of Jersey calves, we started off with the heifer which best combined style, balance, and symmetry today, which was heifer number 4, followed by the clean cut 3, then 1 and 2 in that order. In my top placing 4 over 1, 4 excelled in dairy strength, being that she was wider in the muzzle, carrying that width and strength throughout, while also being longer in her neck with a smoother transition from her neck into her shoulder. She was also fuller in the crops, exhibited more depth throughout her heart and girth throughout her barrel. Furthermore, she was taller at the point of withers and was also more upstanding and carried that height throughout. Was also longer and leveler from hook to hook and was also longer and leveler from her hooks to her pins. Furthermore, in feet and legs, she had her thurls more centrally located, allowing for her rear legs to sit more comfortably underneath her. And when viewed from the side and rear, she stood and tracked out more correctly. However, I must grant heifer number 3 for being a bit stronger in her pasterns. In my middle placing 3 over 1, 3 places over 1, just because she was an overall more balanced heifer. She also excelled in her dairyness, being longer and leaner about her head and neck, more chiseled throughout the top, exhibiting more drop throughout her rib with a more dairy-like sweep to those ribs. However, I must admire my third place individual, 1, for being a bit wider in those pins. In my final placing 1 over 2, 1 places over 2 just because she's more balanced of a heifer. She's a little bit straighter over that top, especially in the loin. She handles herself a little bit better when she's on the walk. A heifer, our final heifer 2, you must admire her for her overall size and scale, but she just breaks down once you start looking at her. This is my set of reasons for placing this class